Hey friends, this is Natif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is once again rejected by this resistance of the triangle and tested the support and also tested the support of $28,600 as well. That is a very long-term support. And in today's video, we will take a look at the next expected move of Bitcoin. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to show you this weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that Bitcoin has formed second falling wedge pattern, very big falling wedge pattern, and before that it formed this falling wedge pattern and broke it out here back in July 2021, and we had a very nice rally, and after hitting $69,000 price level, it is rejected and it has formed another falling wedge pattern. We have a few touch points at the support, like we have almost 4 or 5 touch points here, 2 touch points here, and now we are once again testing the support of this falling wedge pattern. And let's take a look at this support that is at $28,600, and you can see that we have tested the support here, we bounced, we tested the support here, and here again moved up, almost tested the support here, and then here, and again went very close to the support, but we could not break it down. We had a nice bounce, and after testing the support and resistance of this wedge, now we have again tested the support once again. And let me show you this bounce, the recent bounce that we are likely to have once again from this support. And so far this bounce is not confirmed, but we can see that after hitting this $28,600, we moved up again. We are having accumulation above the support, and while moving here and during this accumulation on the smaller time frame here on the 4-hourly time frame chart, we can see that Bitcoin has formed this triangle, the descending triangle, and we have a few rejections points or resistance level here, and we also have a support exactly at $28,600. We had a long spike here, but it covered back, tested the support here, tested the support here, and again testing the support. It is likely to move up. And the more important thing over here is that the triangle is getting squeezed, so at any time it can break out or break down the support or resistance. For example, if it will break out the resistance of this triangle, and let me just show you this target once again, and this time we can expect a breakout from here that will be $33,930. And for example, if we will have a breakdown, then the move to the downside will be at approximately $25,000, and we have already dropped up to $25,400 here, you can see, and that will be another drop up to the same level. But I'm expecting that if Bitcoin will break down this support of the triangle, and we will also lose this support of $28,600 on this weekly time frame, then there will be a very high probability that we may move more down to test this red line, which is a 200 weekly simple moving average support. And if we take a look at the previous history of this support, then Bitcoin never break down the support. Let me show you this support on the Bitstamp chart. This is the Binance chart, by the way, that is not too much old, and on the Bitstamp chart we can see this move more clear, and we can see that since it has appeared from 2015, you can see we tested the support here, we tested the support here, could not break it down. Again, we tested the support here in 2019 and we had another bounce, and last time we tested the support here in March 2020, and after that we had a very big rally up to $69,000. And right now we are very close to test the support, but this is another very strong support of $28,600 that the price line is not able to break down so far. And you can see whenever it's touching that support, we are having bounces to the upside, we are having rallies to the upside. So unless this support is not broken down, it is safe. We cannot expect that Bitcoin will move more down to test this red line that is a 200 weekly simple moving average. So we need to keep an eye on this support, and this triangle right now is really very important. And if we take a look at the cup and handle formation that I was talking about in my yesterday's video, then we can see this cup and handle is now invalidated because the handle of the cup is retraced more than 50% of the resistance of the body of the cup. You can see this was the handle, and now it is dropped more than almost 100%. We are dropped at the same support. Therefore, this cup and handle formation is not valid. However, this triangle is very, very important right now. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.